For 200 years, since fossil fuels became the basis of the industrial economy, and the 100 years in which fossil fuels and chemicals became the basis of the industrial agricultural economy, we have forgotten the way nature works. We have forgotten the true productivity of the earth, the land, our farms. We've forgotten real knowledge. If you have biodiversity on your farms, you don't need pesticides. If you have biodiversity on your farms and nitrogen-fixing beans and legumes give you free nitrogen in the soil, you don't have to burn fossil fuels at high temperature to make nitrogen fertilizers, which lead to greenhouse gas emissions and give us climate change. In biodiversity is the solution to climate change. And in biodiversity is the alternative for a fossil fuel-free, poison-free agriculture. We need the biodiversity of seeds that are able to tolerate salt, that are able to deal with drought, and are able to deal with flooding. In Navdanya, over the 30 years, we have saved every seed we could find. And in the seeds we have saved are salt-tolerant seeds that were distributed after the super cyclone of 1999, after the tsunami of 2004. We are able to create climate resilience through biodiversity. But biodiversity is not just the crops above the ground. Biodiversity is the organisms within the soil. And when we do organic farming, we are not just increasing the capacity of the soil to reabsorb the carbon that was emitted through the use of fossil fuels. We are not just able to reabsorb the nitrogen. We are able to add resilience to the soil. The soil now becomes a water reservoir. It becomes like a sponge, and it can deal with drought. It can deal with flooding. Our research has shown us that in 20 years of organic farming, we have increased organic matter content in our soils by 100%. Regenerating these systems is what regenerative agriculture is about. And in Navdanya, we promote biodiversity, organic farming, and local diversified distribution systems as the solution to climate change. Climate change is a result of a mindset that is based on monocultures, fossil fuels, chemicals, corporate control. The solutions come in biodiversity, organic farming, and local and diversified food systems.